Good evening sa tanan. So it's already 10:15. It's New Year's Eve, the night before New Year's, December the 31st. So basically nagsamgyup lang me. We have friends over, we have Karen, we have Joffrey. We have Mama Cecil, which is asawa ni Papa Ido, tita nila Jory, and ang duha ka pamangkin ni Jory diri. So it will be a peaceful New Year. So Happy New Year to everyone. Sa mga kita na most likely ugma na mga kita, but Happy New Year. Hopefully 2026 is your year. Ang kuna na nadaan kay dagan may mo ang kunog tuig. So karon I don't know what will we be doing, but magtorya maybe nami theme later na mag-pajama party. So yeah, I guess lang na. So I think akong mabuhat lang is like clips or videos of the night's simple celebration. Usually for the past I think 3-4 years, we used to celebrate with my family. Kaya usually Christmas diri ko ila Jory, and pag New Year's it's usually with my family. But my family is in Manila right now. Dito sila nag-celebrate with my niece. Ang kuya and his wife is celebrating with his wife's family. And then wala lang. So separate among celebrations at this time. So check this out na lang kung sa may mahagilap ninyo karong nagabi. But well, short clips lang siguro. It's gonna be a short video for everyone. So advance Happy New Year. If 2025 wasn't really good to you, hopefully 2026 is better. And sa mga naga-duty during New Year's, Christmas, ayaw mong kasad. Kasi your sacrifices will pay off. Right? So ayaw ninyo ingna na malas mo or what, because you prayed for the job that you have right now. You prayed for it. Gipaningkamutan ninyo, nagjamming mo, nangatik mo para makasulod na trabaho, and ayaw ninyo i-curse ang something na nagapakaon sa inyo. Kay tungod lang dili mo maka-spend time or di mo maka-party during New Year's or Christmas. New Year's or Christmas comes every year. So, tayo mo kabala ka, maybe it's not gonna be this year. Kasi this year, you need to grind, you need to work, you need to save up. But maybe next year, that's a time where you can spend it with your family. Basig mong kanegosyo mo next year because you sacrificed the day. Mo ang always mindset na ako. So, hopefully, that helps you guys out as well. Again, Happy New Year, and just check out these clips if ever. Tanaw ninyo yung video if na may katanaw. What's up, guys? So, time check 11:34. So, nag-outfit na mi kaya mag-picture mi sa muang pajama party New Year. So, si Joffrey kay grabe ka red. Hey guys, Kokoy tulog. So, we are ready. So scent for coming into the new year is from Bite King, Lacomos from Bite King. So, now, say outfit, Karen. Nice. Hey, Joff, doble.
Alam mo, parang kung may reporting.
Tanggalin mo lang yung damit.
Hindi talaga siya magka-shot.
Tanggalin mo na lang yung damit kasi
Planning pala talaga ako. Since last ko itong nasuot, hindi ko naman ito nasuot.
Pajama. Meron pa.
It's recording now.
Daming props. Sana hindi magamit, no?
Kaya props ay magamit
Carlo
na.
Rossi.
Asa yung Carlo Rossi?
Yeah.
Ay di, yung yung Moscato mo. Ubos na?
Meron pa. Hindi ko lang siya.
Pa dalawa yung binili mo? Tapos pulutan ice cream.
Never thought too hard about it. Always came naturally to me. Never put a foot out of line, and I tried not to make any awkward statements. Always tried to be a good neighbor, waiting for the right time to speak. Now it seems the tables are smashed into tiny little pieces. I only wanted a slice of the pie. And all my time in this town, never thought I'd see the day you and I would come to blows. Think I'm gonna keep it that way. We don't have to think the same way to celebrate and dance until the dawn. Too hard about it, always came naturally to me. Never put a foot out of line, and I tried not to make any awkward statements. Always tried to be a good neighbor, waiting for the right time to speak. Now it seems the tables are smashed into tiny little pieces. I only want a slice of the pie. I really think we're getting somewhere with just tiny little pieces, a twinkling in somebody's sky. I really hope we're getting.
Sama tayo, quick break guys. Mic check. Gawin natin ni. Kay hardcore. Saan ba di pag-abri? Kanina ron.
Ayan lang.
Listen siya, abri yun.
Naka-wax.
Naka-wax na ni. Daw.
Pangita ba yung ginawa?
So kanina siya, gipalit pa ni siya katungkuan.
Ganun sa buhay na.
Mag 1 year po siya. January?
Wala pa, eh.
January ba?
After yun ng ano.
Ay, February. February. Oh, muto eh.
Hindi?
Small it. Na oak.
Malapit ko na.
Oak. The
Uy!
oak.
Kumot siya.
So,
Mas kung i-compare sa Black Label, mas mabango siya, Jor.
so I guess mas smooth ni siya.
Okay kung plastic dyan, ito yung mga ganyan niya, yung mga pabebe niya. Mas mamaya siya yung ano.
Siya yung ano.
Gusto mo yung party natin? Hindi
Mamaya
ko lang na-miss na part, yung medyo sa ano, later. Yung nag-iwan kayo, hindi ko masyado yung nag-miss.
Hindi pwede sabihin in public.
So, kung ano na guys, i-post na to na kay magchismis. Happy New Year! Happy New Year everyone! So, pabuto rin dyan san guys. Pabuto na rin dyan san na mga iring loy na tayo. So, ikawas na kung mapagkita ang mga fireworks karoon. Kasama na po yung mga motor. So, what's up guys? So, it's currently 12:28. So, basically, ano to? Small celebration with close friends and people that we love. The next time na pay or grande na celebration in the future. But, definitely, para sa ako, dili na mong kayo importante ang unsa ka daghan, dapat daghan og tao sa inyo ang celebration. Para sa ako, it's as long as that the people you love are with you, or even kanang they're enjoying themselves differently pod. Dapat sila sa Manila, like for example akong family ron nasa Manila, sila kuya is enjoying New Year with her family, ako I'm enjoying my New Year here. So definitely, you know, it's as long as all of us are enjoying it the way we want to, definitely wala na yung problema, right? So happy New Year everyone. Hopefully na this will be a fruitful new year for you guys. Kung na may katanawan ni I wish that you will have a great 2026. So happy new year again. Peace. Night.